What up, G Squad? Today we're back with another video. Today I got an Amazon Halo fitness band. It helps you track your sleep, track your movement and activity. Damn, Amazon. It's like level 4 security. This design is where it's at. It's light, sleek, and easily pairable with your favorite accessories. Alright, next is the charger, which comes in this white packaging. The Halo View only comes with a charging cable, so you'll need your own box. You'll align one side with the other, and you'll feel it vibrating once it's connected. Alright, so let's go through it together. There's the home button, the sensors right in the bottom. So I actually turned on, so that's the C app for setup. So let me just download this.
Five years later.
Okay, once you downloaded the app, go ahead and connect to Bluetooth. You'll log into your Amazon account. And if you don't have an Amazon account by 2023 and you've been living under a rock, click the link below, we got you. Moving forward, you'll complete your profile with some basic setup questions, like horoscope, kidding, but date of birth, weight, height, and gender. What's the most lit about your Halo purchase is that it includes 12 months of full access to exclusive membership features, programs, and workouts. And after a year, it renews for only $4 a month. You can't really find that anywhere.
So as you see, it was pairing, and now it's updating the band.
Next, you'll choose your wrist preference. As soon as your setup is complete, you'll see a really cool promo video with all of the features that the app has to offer. If you don't like complicated fitness bands, then this is the perfect product for you. The band is packed with cool features like being able to set alarms, timers, reading your texts, seeing your heart rate, seeing your sleep score, daily steps, calories burned. It's a bunch of stuff, man. With this, you can even check your blood oxygen level. But I think my favorite feature is that it alerts you when you've been sitting for too long. Moving on to the app. I love the layout and the simplicity of everything. Halo works with Alexa, so you can ask Alexa for your health summary. Excuse me. For the health summary, activity score, sleep quality, and more. Somebody was being rude in the background. Don't mind that, yeah. Okay, before I was really interrupted, in the homepage, you can explore an ever-growing library of premium and on-demand workouts, daily meditations, as well as nutrition and sleep support. These simple, measurable programs help you see the impact that small changes can make on how you feel, like whether meditating improves your focus or if a pet-free bedroom improves your quality of sleep. Halo measures the intensity of your activity in addition to tracking steps and sedentary time. This also applies to working harder, like taking 2 stairs at a time or going for jogs. I really appreciate how far technology has come, especially in helping us understand our bodies. With the sleep feature, you'll be able to analyze your sleep patterns, like how long it takes you to fall asleep, how often you wake up at night, how long you spend between each sleep stage, as well as measuring your resting heart rate and body temperature. Alright, next up we got my personal favorite. Where my foodies at, my thickums? In this section, this is where you want to be. You'll browse and get inspiration with hundreds of nutritious recipes. You can create a tailored weekly menu that can be synced to your Halo grocery list, your Alexa shopping list, or the Whole Foods app to make meal prep even easier. Another cool feature is the movement section. Halo uses your smartphone camera to accurately measure your mobility, stability, and posture. It then provides a custom set of corrective exercises to help you improve over time. And I like that it helps you develop healthier habits over life. Y'all want to know another cool and innovative feature? Halo actually analyzes the different tones, emotions, and even energy in your voice to help you learn how you may sound like to others. I don't know if that's cool or creepy. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Alright, next is measuring and tracking body fat. Halo Body is the first app-based tool that uses your smartphone camera not only to accurately determine your body fat percentage, but also measure your mobility, stability, and posture. This is all without leaving home. It's super quick and easy. Just change into minimal clothing and follow the prompts in the app. You'll get your results in about 30 seconds. and also a custom set of exercises to help you improve your goals over time. Lastly, we have live footage of your heart rate and tone of voice. This has to be like one of a kind for this.
Alright squad, thanks for watching, as you should. No, I'm kidding. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Stay tuned for more.